Everyone tells you AI makes you a 10x developer. They're lying. In reality, for most of us, Copilot isn't a superpower. It's a distraction. I spent the last 30 days running a strict productivity audit. I tracked every single commit, every hallucination, and every hour spent fixing AI-generated bugs. The results were shocking. I found that Copilot actually slows down mid-level developers in 3 specific, dangerous ways. If you're just hitting tab and hoping for the best, you're not coding, you're just reviewing bad code. In this video, I'm breaking down the raw data from my audit. I'll show you exactly where the productivity cliff is, why your fast workflow is actually creating massive technical debt, and the precise framework you need to use AI without sacrificing your architectural skills. By the end of this, you'll know if you should keep paying for Copilot, or if it's actually the reason you're stuck in debug hell. Look at your screen. You're not actually coding anymore. You're reviewing. It feels like a superpower. Stab, 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 boom. A whole function is written in seconds. But here is the trap. When you write code manually, your brain is fully engaged. You're anticipating edge cases. You're mapping the architecture in your head. With Copilot, you're operating on autopilot. And that's where the AI tax kicks in. You save 10 minutes writing the boilerplate, but then you spend 2 hours chasing a bug that shouldn't even exist. Why? Because Copilot didn't solve the problem. It predicted the next, most likely character based on a pattern. It hallucinated a library method that doesn't exist. Or worse, it introduced a subtle race condition that only crashes once you hit production.